Welcome to Lab channel. Today I show you how to repair USB flash drive. I show you when I plug USB flash drive, nothing happened. There is main IC and memory chip. I think the memory chip is pasted. Let's check the value of components. There is very less components. I saw 1, 2, 3 and 4 resistor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 capacitor and 1 LED. Now check negative positive connection. Negative okay, positive connection okay, data 1 okay, data 2 is also okay. Now check the value of resistors. In positive there is a R5 resistor. You can see 3.2 3.3 resistor, 3.3 ohm resistor is okay. If you can see the resistor value on it, it's a 3.3 ohm resistor. 3R3 means 3.3 ohm resistor. Positive connection 3.3 resistor okay, and there is data resistor, data 1 and data 2 resistor. You can find data 1 and data 2 resistor. There is data 1 and here is data 2 resistor. Now check the value. data 1 register 3.3, it's okay, and data 2 register it's only 70 ohm. Now check the value of resistor. It's also 3R3 resistor. You can see in magnifier glass 3R3 mean 3.3 ohm resistor, and you can see R5, it's a 5 volt plus, it's also okay, but the I think it's a data 2 resistor. Yes, data 2 resistor, which is 3.3 ohm resistor, is faulty. We need to replace the data 2 resistor. It's a 3.3 ohm resistor. I'm going to find 3R3 3.3 ohm resistor from this faulty motherboard. We need to check. I found it. There is a 3R3 resistor in this board. I think I found two resistor, one and the other one. I need one resistor. I'm use this resistor for my flash drive. The resistor I'm going to put from motherboard is a small from original one. It's the same resistor. I thought it's small size as compared to original, but it's same. is too hot now. Let's cool with CTC liquid. Let's check the device, it's work or not. You can see the device is working now. You can see the 16 GB USB is working now. Now in हिंदी, मेरे पास ये फ्लैश ड्राइव थी, मेरे एक साथ वाला शॉपकीपर है उसने इसमें विंडोज़ वाली USB बनाई हुई थी और उसकी अचानक ख़राब हो गई चलती चलती। फिर उससे मैंने ये ले ली कि ये मुझे दे दो, मैं रिपेयर कर लूँगा। तो अब मैंने इसके लिए रिपेयरिंग के लिए चेक किया तो इसमें ये वाली रजिस्टर है ना, जो ये 3R3 की रजिस्टर है, ये फॉल्टी निकली। तो ये मैंने रिप्लेस कर दी दूसरी 3.3 किलो हम 3.3 ओहम रेजिस्टेंस थी, ठीक है। इसको मैंने रिप्लेस किया तो अब ये मेरी डिवाइस ये USB वर्किंग में आ गई है, ओके हो गई है। तो इस तरह आप भी अपनी USB को सर्च कर सकते। इतना इसमें चीज़ें लगी नहीं हुई थी, सिर्फ 3-4 कैपेसिटर थे और 4-5 इसमें रजिस्टर थी, जो कि 3 इसमें थी 3.3 किलो ओहम की। इस तरह आप भी अपनी USB को रिपेयर कर सकते हैं इजीली। Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.